Today we're going to be working on Leetcode question number 62, unique paths. So we have a robot on an M cross N grid, and initially look at it at the top left corner, and we have to go up to the bottom right corner, as the robot only move either down or right by any point in time. So given the two integers M and N, return the number of possible unique paths that the robot can take to reach the bottom right corner. So how many different ways the robot can go from the top left to the bottom right? So in this example, M is equal to 3, basically 3 rows, and N are the different columns, so which is equal to 7, and the answer is 28. So the way we're gonna be doing it is like dynamic programming, where we're gonna be yep. So uh, so initially we're gonna say that the current row is equal to new array, and this array is gonna have n number of elements, and what we're gonna be saying is like we're gonna be initializing, we're gonna iterate from I equals to 0 to less than n, and then we're gonna fill up this current row uh, index with that I. So we're gonna be initializing it from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to n, and then all we have to do is we're gonna start the row equals to 1 and the row is less than m, and we're gonna iterate it from row equals to 1 to less than m. We're gonna say we are iterating through that, and then also uh, we're gonna be iterating from the I from 1 to n. And then we're gonna say that the current row of I is actually equal to the current row of I plus current row of I minus 1. So the current element and the previous element, and we have to do it multiple times. We have to do it m times uh, because we have m cross n grid, so every single time we are adding them, but we have to do it m different times, and in the end we're going to be returning the last element. Oops, there is an error. Oh yeah, oh sorry, initially we have to initialize, we're gonna initialize the current row not with the I, uh, like initially we have to initialize everything with 1. Everything is initially gonna be equal to 1. This is because even if we do not have any m, there's gonna be only one way in order to get to the last position. Yep, that worked.